All right, let's do a little workshop update. But in the meantime, we've still got some stuff you can buy for Christmas. We're still open till Christmas Eve. T-shirts, hoodies. It's perfect hoodie weather here in Perth at 40 degrees. Stickers. There's the chassis for the John and Roses. Bit of stuff in the cabinets. Still got some Jenny shifters left. I've sold a couple already. Anyway, let's go out and see what Craig's up to.
I just had to put the fan on because some idiot was doing burnouts outside. Skids. Typical Kelmscott.
Yeah, bloody hell. Bloody
you know, you
if
can't
it's not
trust it.
Skids, it's crashing into buildings with trucks.
Yeah, that's the thing now with the twice in 2 days.
2 days, yeah. All right,
mate, we're world renowned for that.
I'll turn the camera around and we can talk some more bullshit.
That tire might be a little bit flat. Maybe.
All right.
Is that it? Merry Christmas. Oh, hang on, I'm going to try that.
No!
There it goes, look. There it comes.
You've ruined a perfectly good beer from our new...
This is our new sponsor. Apparently we're very big in Belgium.
Belgium, yes.
Yeah.
What do you think we are anyway?
Well, yeah, that's right.
Yes, what have we been doing in the workshop? Mainly this. Mainly prepping the extend cab pickup for paint.
Yeah.
So we painted the guards, and over there's the
balances.
Panels.
Yeah.
I'll put a photo up in a minute. The actual cab is just about there.
Yeah.
I think that'll be a after New Year thing.
Yeah.
I've got just a few little bits and pieces now. I'll go around with them over the next couple of days because Craig's called it. He's not coming back in till the second. So something like that.
I might come back.
He might come back.
Yeah, I don't know.
Have a week and a half off and go, it's pretty good.
Well, that's right, you know.
Yeah, so
we just cleaned out the workshop.
Yeah,
and
the workshop.
we got a new project.
Oh, yeah, yes.
Willie's pickup.
Yes, Willie's pickup.
We found it here, so we've shifted it to there. So to us, it's a whole new project. So,
and if you haven't touched it for 3 months, it becomes new when you.
Of course it does. Of course it does. We actually started the Suzuki, and I took that for a drive up the road. That started.
Yeah.
And we started the F350 since first time basically since Pox. I know Lachlan took it. A few weeks ago.
But the Morris.
The Morris starts. Yeah, that was the first time since Pox.
So that's like 8 weeks, 9 weeks.
Yeah. So
everything still runs.
Yeah. Still goes good.
What else did we do? Oh, the Buick. We took that for some test drives the other day. So our side of stuff's pretty good, like, you know, the airbag system and all that.
Yeah.
We've just got to tighten up the steering box, maybe.
It's sort of more mechanical stuff. Yeah. And leaks. It's a typical old car.
It's got a couple of leaks here and there.
Couple of leaks, yeah.
And now, so if you're in Perth, next Friday, because it's the 20th today.
So Wednesday's Christmas Day.
Thursday's Boxing Day.
Friday, it's not a public holiday, but we're having a car show anyway.
Yes.
So
caffeine and gasoline, 9 to 11. Deliver coffee van. I think the forecast's low to mid-20s. So
reasonably mild because this Sunday and Monday are going to be 41 here.
Yeah, 41, 42, 43.
Yeah.
And then Christmas Day, we're having the coldest Christmas day in like 50
Yeah, they're
years.
saying it's going to be 23 or 25 or.
Because traditionally in Perth on Christmas Day, it's
stinking hot. So we're actually getting snow this year.
Yeah,
so Google it and just see whether Perth's ever had snow. Yeah.
Never.
No, never.
I don't think we've
never.
had. We probably not even had rain on Christmas Day. It is normally Christmas Day.
Yeah, no, I can remember rain on Christmas
Really?
Day. Yeah.
That's back in the olden days.
Yeah. When I used to ride dinosaurs to school.
It was black and
According to my
everything was
kids.
in black and white.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. But other than that.
Yeah, so we've just been busy.
Same shit, different car.
You know, getting.
Well, actually, same shit, same car.
most of the last couple of weeks has really just been getting this stuff all prepped ready for paint.
Yeah.
And the body, and because you've got to remember, with that car, there's
a million panels,
and little fill panels, and a tail panel, and
garnish molds, and
there's a lot
lots of metal panels on it.
Yeah,
to paint,
so
prep and paint.
We'll get that hopefully all coloured.
Yeah.
In the new year.
Yeah, and Chev pickup, I did a fair bit of work on that, and sort of got the back reasonably straight. Tailgate's on. So we're ready to just about start body work on that.
Yeah.
So yeah. But yeah, now the Willies is sitting over there, we might actually do something on it. We should do. We say that. We said that last time and we never did.
If someone knows how long ago it was since we said that on the video.
Yeah, can you let us know?
Yeah, put it in the comments below. Go back through our video.
Because in our mind it was like 2 weeks ago was the last time I worked on it.
Yeah. Could be 12 months.
Yeah, possibly.
I'm not sure. It's been a little while. But anyway, in a minute I'll put up skids, starting stuff, driving stuff around, show you around the workshop.
Yeah.
And I guess that's Merry Christmas from us. We haven't got red outfits or anything.
No, it's hot and sticky here today.
Yes.
So what is it, 35?
35, 36.
Here today. So, but yeah.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
See you on the 27th at Cafe and
Yes, come down, say hello.
And if
or
not,
don't.
Watch the video on the afternoon of that, because I generally do that, go home.
Sit down with a beer. That's his Christmas. Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. All right, give it a go.
Quicker in the guts, Barry.
Oh.
Oh, that'd be right.
Mate!
Hey!
How long has it, been 2-3 months since we started?
Wouldn't be selling this car if I wasn't going overseas. Remember that, eh?
It'll stall. Yeah.